16th problem. A line is drawn perpendicular to 5x minus y plus 7. Find the equation of the line if the area of the triangle formed by the line with the coordinate axis is 10 square units. Here a line is drawn perpendicular to 5x minus y plus 7. That perpendicular line, it's a clue. Find the equation of the line if the area of the triangle formed by this line with the coordinate axis is 10 square units. Here the given line is 5x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. That perpendicular line we can find from this equation is x plus 5y plus k equal to 0. Here if you put y equal to 0, we have x plus k equal to 0, it's nothing but x equal to minus k. So a is minus k comma 0. If you put x equal to 0, from this equation we have 5y plus k equal to 0. That means 5y equal to minus k, y equal to minus k by 5. Therefore, the coordinate is 0 comma minus k by 5. So, from this points we have OA is minus k and OB is minus k by 5. Here it is given the area of the right angle is triangle OAB. That area is half BH there. So half into OA into OB equal to 10 square units given in the problem. So we can equate this to 10. So B is OA and H is OB here from the diagram. OA is minus k and OB is minus k by 5 equal to 10. So if you simplify this, k square by 10 equal to 10. Cross multiply this as k square equal to 100. Therefore k equal to plus or minus 10 here. So that I can have the formula, that equation as x plus 5y plus or minus 10 equal to 0 is nothing but x plus 5y equal to plus or minus 10. 17th sum. Find Q, the image of the point minus 2, 3 about the line x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. Find Q, the image of the point minus 2, 3 about the line x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the line. We want to find Q, the coordinate of Q. That is the image of the point of this minus 2, 3. Okay. So we can have this coordinate of Q is nothing but h, k. That is Q of h, k. That image of P is minus 2, 3 and the given line is x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. We want to find the slope for PQ. This is the perpendicular line, isn't it? So we can have, if it is perpendicular, we can have the slope as minus 1 by m. So that slope of this given line is m. Perpendicular slope is nothing but minus 1 by slope of the equation 1 here. Therefore we have minus 1 by slope of the equation is minus 1 by 2. Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, isn't it? So that we have minus 1 by 2 here. Okay, and the distance between this slope for PQ is nothing but 3 minus k divided by minus 2 by minus h. 2 points are given. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And then if you simplify this, we have 3 minus k by minus 2 minus h equal to 2. Cross multiply this. So that we have 3 minus k equal to 2 into minus 2 minus h. So 3 minus k equal to minus 4 minus 2h. It's nothing but 2h minus k equal to minus 4 minus 3. It's nothing but 2h minus k equal to minus 7. And the midpoint of this PQ is h minus 2 by 2, comma k plus 3 by 2. That means from the given point we had x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So keep this point in the equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. So substitute this in this equation. We have, instead of x we have h minus 2 by 2 plus 2 into, instead of y we have k plus 3 by 2. We can cancel this and this, so that we have h minus 2. We have to take LCM for this, so that we have 2k plus 6 minus 18. Multiply along with this 9 also. So this is a 18 equal to 0. Now simplify this. We have this 6 minus 18 and minus 2 is there. It's nothing but h plus 2k minus 14 equal to 0. It's nothing but h plus 2k equal to 14. And then we can have this 2h minus k equal to minus 7 also there. We want to find the value of h and k, isn't it? So we want to solve the equations, so that we have multiply with the equation by 2 here, so that we have 2h plus 4k equal to 14. And then solve these equations. We have 4h equal to 0. Therefore, h equal to 0 only. We want to find the value of k. So, keep this in equation 3. So that we have 0 plus 2k equal to 14. That means k equal to 7. Therefore, the value of h and k is 0 and 7. Therefore, the coordinates of q is h comma k is nothing but 7 comma 0.